In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect mouse to Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up and connect a mouse to your Galaxy tablet. Keep in mind that this process will work regardless of the model of mouse and tablet that you have. I'm going to talk about the most common connection types and what to do depending on which ones you have available. So, the main one is going to be through a wireless connection, usually over Bluetooth. So I'm going to assume that your mouse is going to be able to be connected over Bluetooth. But if it is not available for you, then I'm also going to be talking about the other options like I said. And as I mentioned earlier, this will work for all models of Samsung tablets. So first, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled if you are going to be a wireless connectivity through this method. So you go into the settings, go into the connections category and enable it from here. Now, to use Bluetooth, you have to set up your peripherals into pairing mode. So in this example here, I have a mouse and a keyboard. To put these peripherals into pairing mode, you will usually have to press a specific combination of buttons. So if there is a toggle, make sure that you set it to Bluetooth, and then usually you have to press a specific button on the peripheral to put it into pairing mode. This will differ for every single keyboard, mouse, headset, headphones, and so on. It's important to check the manual for your specific peripheral. I cannot give you instructions for every single model out there. But once the specific peripheral is in pairing mode, it is going to appear under the list of available devices, and then you just choose it from the list. Immediately upon choosing it here, it will remain connected as long as it is sufficiently charged, and you will be able to use the keyboard, mouse, and headset functions on the Galaxy Tab. And this will be done easily with any peripheral that has Bluetooth capabilities. If you have to use a wired connection, then you plug one end of a USB cable into the Galaxy Tab, usually on the charging port, and then the other end goes into the mouse or keyboard. By doing this, you will now have a wired connection and it should work natively. But for wireless ones, you have to set them into pairing mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect mouse to Galaxy Tab S7 FE. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.